Hey, everyone, I am Sarah from Leave Your Best Life. I will be guiding you today. How to make OPC contents and use it to grow your followers on TikTok. Let's dive in.
First, I head over to YouTube to pick a video with a lot of views. After that, I download the YouTube videos with a YouTube video downloader, available on the Google web. I copy the YouTube video link and download the video with Save from Net. Video is downloaded, and we are ready to move to the next level. We head over to these website. Create an account. I click on Upload Video. Select Video. Click on Next. Click on Next. Video is updating. I set up my font settings and increase my word spacing. I export my file. When I'm done editing, I make use of an image quality of 720p. Video file is downloaded to my PC. I head over to my TikTok account. I go to ChatGPT to generate description, hashtags, and titles for posting of my contents. ChatGPT generates me powerful results. Click on Upload on TikTok. Video is uploaded. I copy my title for captions and my hashtags to my TikTok account to get more search-related views. When people search a term, I place all my text from ChatGPT to TikTok. You can add sounds to your videos. TikTok has a large library of sounds. I set up my volume properties to make it clearer. Click on Post. Your content is available for viewing worldwide.
Click the button to learn more via a live online Zoom class.